Here is a very quick explanation of how the step counter works. It's made up of a couple of components. The first one is this interactable trigger over here. Its job is to detect any object that gets inside this area, and when that happens, this onTriggerEnter event gets activated. This onTriggerEnter event is talking to another component called a step counter, which holds a component called a number holder, and it's adding 1 to the number holder. So the number holder is just a component whose job it is to hold a value, and it also has a bunch of other functionality to help it display itself. Hopefully these are self-explanatory fields, but this is essentially how it works. So let's have a look. So as our player character gets into the trigger area, we can see that those onTriggerEnter events get activated. Boop. Boop. The same thing can also happen if we use these objects over here. So let's pick up this object, and if we just throw it into the step, that activates the event as well. Same thing with our little ball. Okay, so this interaction can be described using this diagram over here. So we have the user, and we can see that the user is triggering the onTrigger event by themselves. And this onTrigger event is then calling the add function on the number holder. And this is the parameter to the add function, which essentially just keeps adding 1 to whatever the value of the number holder is. Same thing with a movable object. The movable object can be manipulated by the user, and those objects by themselves can also activate the onTriggerEnter. And that's it.